Accessory. So I have their shade holder that's on the top of my Tesla interior, a perfect spot for you to put your sunglasses in. I mean, it looks like it's part of the Tesla, so it's a great place to put your sunglasses or tiny little items if you want to put hidden stuff in there. So my favorite thing from Tesery is this set. It's a perfect gift for all dads out there who wants to take care of their car. This is a 6-in-1 car tool set. It's a power washer, water blaster, vacuum cleaner, power bank, wireless MagSafe phone charger, flashlight, tire pump, all powered by this one battery. Who wouldn't want this as a gift? So first off, it comes in a nice bag like this. How cool is that? You could put this in your trunk and it's a perfect gift. It's got so much cool things in there. You have to check it out. This is the main battery and it's got over 9,000 milliamp, 5 times the battery that's in our iPhone. This one is a water blaster. Boom, there it is. So this is a foam cannon that you just put soap, water in here, and then you could put this in the front. So this is the hose for it. You could put this end in a bucket of water, or you could just fill this up with water, and then you could put this inside. And you got yourself a foam cannon right here. You got yourself this second piece that you could put in the front. That will allow you to give different kinds of water pressure. And it's so small too. Look how cool that looks. This also becomes a tire pump, and you put the same battery on top of it. You plug this in right over here. And also it lights up with an LED at nighttime if you're on the side of the road, so people could see that you're pumping your tire. So that's very helpful. So this is just an LED light. If you need to work on your car, you got this little awesome light, of course. So this is also a MagSafe charger for your phone. Then boom, you put your phone on top and it charges your phone also. And also this is a vacuum, so you plug this in and then it's discount code and link below.